In this video, I'll show you how website administrators can restore the access to accounts that have been removed from the website. Now I'm dealing with a test website here. That's why you see these X's over here. This is something that you'll see when when administrators are logged in and your website doesn't have a subscription. Just see these X's, X'd out links, and that just means that the account, those modules they're only visible to administrators. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the directory. Just like I said, this is a test account that doesn't have a subscription, so I'm going to just minimize that. Now let's say that there's an account that used to have access to the website and no longer does, and let's say that it was done by accident or something like that. So I'd come up here to the directory main menu, click former members, find the name of that person. You can type this to search for that person if there's more than one and it's difficult to find them, and just click restore access. You'll confirm here. Are you certain you'd like to restore access to this person? Click restore access. And that's it. If you have any questions about this or anything else, please contact us at hello@gogladly.com.